Well, in the jungle,
Go chase them!
Well, in the jungle, Wild Alex stretches out.
Stay ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go!
And he launches. In attack mode, X runs, going for his prey, as they scatter.
As they scatter.
He screams out with his wild calls. One
Where did
has
he
gotten
go?
away,
The only nice one.
afraid of his friend's death.
He's like, get over here.
I don't know if they're calling our Alex or theirs.
Well, obviously they're Alex.
Wow. Dude, they have the same name, the nice one.
Where'd they go? I don't know where they are.
Screaming, the kids run back.
Screaming, the kid. Alex is gonna like pass out.
And Alex runs. He attacks, and the prey is down.
Alex, you beat him.
What's up?